Do you want to achieve financial success but don't know where to start? This is a question that has crossed many minds, and today we're going to tackle it head-on. Financial success isn't a far-fetched dream, it's a reachable goal. The key lies in planning and setting realistic savings goals. Think of it like a blueprint to a house, but in this case it's a blueprint to your financial prosperity. In this video, we'll guide you on how to draw up this blueprint. We'll help you set realistic savings goals, break those goals down into smaller, achievable milestones, and most importantly, we'll share strategies to keep you motivated throughout this journey. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And today we're taking that first step towards financial freedom together. Ready to unlock your pathway to financial prosperity? Then let's dive right in. Ever dreamt of a vacation in Bali or buying your dream home? All of this can be possible with setting realistic savings goals. It's not just about stashing away every spare penny, it's about setting SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means you know exactly what you're saving for, whether it's that Bali vacation or the down payment on a house. Measurable means you know how much you need to save. Achievable ensures your goal is realistic based on your income and expenses. Relevant ensures your goal aligns with your long-term financial plans. Time-bound gives you a deadline to work towards. Think about your income, your expenses, and your personal financial goals. What's realistic for you? What's achievable? Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single savings goal. Now that you have your savings goal, let's break it down into smaller, manageable milestones. Imagine you're standing at the base of a mountain. That's your savings goal. It's high, it's intimidating, and it looks impossible to scale. But what if you divided that mountain into smaller hills? Suddenly it's not as fearsome, right? That's what we're doing with your savings goal. Start by dividing your savings goal into quarters. Each quarter is a milestone. Now, instead of one big, daunting goal, you have 4 smaller ones. Each milestone is a victory to celebrate, a signpost that you're making progress. This division not only makes your goal feel more achievable, but it also keeps your motivation high. Each milestone reached is a boost, a validation that you're capable of achieving your financial dreams. By breaking your goal down into smaller milestones, you're not just making your goal more achievable, but also setting yourself up for a series of victories along the way. Staying motivated can be a challenge, but there are ways to keep your enthusiasm high and your eyes on the prize. The journey to financial success isn't always a straight line, but a winding road with peaks and valleys. One way to stay motivated is by tracking your progress, whether that's on a spreadsheet, a mobile app, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. Seeing your savings grow can be a great morale booster. Another strategy is celebrating small victories. Reached a 1/10 of your savings goal? That's cause for celebration. These little achievements keep your momentum going. And let's not forget about visualizing the end goal. Picture your life once you've achieved your financial milestones. This mental image can serve as a powerful motivator when the going gets tough. But above all, remember that financial success requires both patience and perseverance. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, patience and perseverance make an unbeatable combination for success. So, there you have it. The blueprint to setting and achieving your savings goals. We've journeyed together from understanding the key to financial success, to setting realistic savings goals, and breaking them down into achievable milestones. We've delved into the importance of staying motivated, even when the path gets bumpy, because let's face it, it often does. But remember, every step you take brings you closer to your financial dreams. The journey to financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and the right roadmap. And that's exactly what we've laid out for you today. A roadmap to your financial success. A savings goals blueprint that you can adapt to your unique circumstances and aspirations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Wise Wallet Wisdom, for more financial wisdom. Remember, your financial success starts now. Happy saving.